Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, it's interesting, and it's always interesting. I know that enterprise is there to make money and to make as much as possible and to keep the shareholders happy. And Microsoft certainly probably is doing this right now. But, on the other side of things is seeing that they're still continuing to actually lay off employees. When we say that a company, has a lot of employees that are not really happy, and being happy at work is probably one of the most important things if you want to have good products and services in the end. And that the layoffs are still continuing when you look at numbers that tell you stop laying off people and just focus on what you have to do. So Microsoft has recorded for 56.2 billion in revenue, and that's for fiscal year fourth quarter fiscal year 23. 20.1 billion in net income for this period. It's pretty crazy. It's a lot of money. Now we got to be careful with numbers because that's a lot of money, but we can see companies when they go in the wrong direction, that money and that cash flow can really disappear fast. So 56.2 billion, that's up 8% from the same period last year. If we look at the operating income, it's 24.3 billion. That's up 18% from the same period. But that 20.1 billion income, net income, that's 20% up from last year. So that's quite impressive, and tells you that basically things are going well. For the specific divisions, productivity and business processes, that includes Office, consumer and commercial products, and cloud services, LinkedIn, Dynamics products, and cloud had a revenue of 18.3 billion. That's up 10%. Mentions that there's now 67 million subscribers to the consumer Microsoft 365 services. 67 million. That's a lot of people. Intelligent Cloud Division, which also includes its server products and cloud, $24 billion, up 15%. Azure and its cloud services revenue up 26%. Pretty crazy. Now, where it's not good, in the more personal computing division, that includes Windows, operating systems, devices, Xbox, revenue 13.9 billion for the quarter. That is down 4% compared to a year ago. Windows revenues down 12%. And devices like Surface down 20%. So Windows, it's not, that surprising. We tell you all the time that the PC sales aren't really going anywhere. It's actually dropping constantly. That definitely impacts the Windows operating system revenues. But, Windows OEM revenue down 12%, which is roughly, we have a 10 to 12% drop in PC sales. That kind of coincides, works, the numbers work. So, but still, there's quite a few billion in there, and that's going to be interesting to see, if the PC market goes up at some point or at least stabilizes. But that hurts Windows 11, definitely, because that means that there's less machines and less Windows 11 licenses sold. Will Windows 12 next year help change that around? That's going to be in the interesting numbers. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.